Imagine a place where planes and ships disappear without a trace, swallowed up by the sea or air. That, dear viewers, is the popular image of the Bermuda Triangle. A place shrouded in mystery, it's long been a subject of fascination and fear. Tales of unexplained phenomena, bizarre happenings, and strange disappearances have marked the Bermuda Triangle as a vortex of the inexplicable and the unaccountable. The Triangle, stretching from the southernmost tip of Florida to the islands of Bermuda and Puerto Rico, has a reputation that precedes it. It's a place where compasses spin wildly, where clouds form strange patterns, and where time itself seems to bend and warp. It's a place where, according to popular myth, the laws of physics are not just broken, but shattered. But is there really a mysterious force at play? Or is there a more rational explanation behind these events? Now let's dive into the deep end and separate fact from fiction. One of the most common misconceptions about the Bermuda Triangle is that it's a no-fly zone. This is a myth. The Bermuda Triangle is not recognized as a danger zone by the World Meteorological Organization or any other official body for that matter. In fact, every day, countless commercial flights and shipping routes crisscross this area without any issue. Another widely circulated myth is that disappearances are more common in the Bermuda Triangle than anywhere else in the ocean. Again, this is not true. When we look at the data, we find that the rate of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is not significantly higher than in other well-traveled sections of the ocean. The Bermuda Triangle is a heavily trafficked area. It's a popular route for ships sailing between the ports of the Americas and Europe, and a busy air corridor for flights. With this high volume of traffic, some degree of accidents and disappearances are unfortunately inevitable, but they are not disproportionately high. The myth of the Bermuda Triangle gained traction in the mid-20th century, fueled by a handful of high-profile disappearances. However, upon closer inspection, most of these cases can be explained by human error, equipment failure, or severe weather conditions. It's also worth noting that the ocean is a vast and unpredictable place. Despite our best efforts, not every disappearance can be neatly explained, but that doesn't mean we should jump to supernatural or extraterrestrial explanations. Sometimes, the truth is simply that the sea is a dangerous place and tragedies can occur. As we move forward, it's crucial that we challenge these myths and misconceptions about the Bermuda Triangle. They do a disservice to the real scientific exploration and understanding of this region. As you can see, much of the Triangle's mystery can be chalked up to exaggeration and sensationalism. So if it's not aliens or supernatural forces, what's really happening in the Bermuda Triangle? Well, let's dive into the science behind this mysterious region. One of the most compelling explanations points to the occurrence of rogue waves. These aren't your everyday waves, mind you. They are massive, monstrous walls of water that can reach up to 100 feet in height. Born from the interplay of strong currents, they have the power to capsize even the sturdiest of vessels. Then there's the fascinating phenomena of methane hydrates. Picture this: vast quantities of methane gas trapped in crystal structures beneath the seafloor. When these structures destabilize, they release gas bubbles which can reduce the density of water, causing ships to sink like stones. But don't worry, these occurrences are quite rare. Lastly, we can't discount the role of human error. The Bermuda Triangle is a bustling maritime and aviation corridor. With the sheer volume of traffic, it's inevitable that accidents will happen. Combine this with unpredictable weather and strong currents, and you have a recipe for disaster. So, while it's tempting to attribute the Bermuda Triangle's reputation to fantastical tales of aliens and ghost ships, the truth is often more mundane. It's not about the supernatural, but rather about understanding natural phenomena and the limits of human ability. Thus, while the Bermuda Triangle may still hold a sense of mystery, it seems that most of its secrets can be explained by science and reason. So, what have we learned today about the Bermuda Triangle? We've unraveled that its ominous reputation stems largely from myths, embellished tales, and popular culture. Most of the so-called mysteries of this infamous triangle can be demystified by natural phenomena like rogue waves, human error, and even magnetic anomalies. These are not supernatural occurrences, but rather instances of nature's unpredictability and our own fallibility. So, the next time you hear a tale of the Bermuda Triangle, remember, there's usually a logical explanation behind the mystery,